as a manager and as a very rational manager, I would say rational or intuitive doesn't matter if you are making the right decision faster enough. So, and then I started digging into, okay, but what does it mean? How do you know when you use rational, when you use intuitive? And let's not forget that emotional is aside completely, right? So I actually got a rule of thumb for this, right, and for the audience, and would like to actually hear something in the comments about it after I mention it, right? So use your intuition for those decisions and those activities that you're really experienced in. If you are a very experienced manager in identifying whether you can trust the person or not, right, by the first, sight, by the first 45 seconds, as they say, right, use your intuition. Don't let your rational side of things to slow you down, right? If you've done something like driving a car, right, you are relying a lot, more than 50% on your intuition, because you actually got experience doing it, right? You don't actually think rationally about whether to make this breathing in or not, right? It's you have that experience and you're doing it, and many other things that you are really experienced in. So that's where you use intuition. That's where intuition will trump your rational mind. But when it comes to complex decisions, really complex decisions, right? When you really want to make this intuitive call, count to 10. Count to 10, think about it. That's where really reflection will trump your intuition. But you need to remember one thing, this rule of thumb, and remember that whichever combination or side you are using, you're using it to make the right decision faster.